Hey guys, it's spring break and just wanted to do a little quick check-in. I am just sitting here enjoying my time with my family and thinking about all the different ways that we're able to help people. Think of it this way. If you have a credit score that's in the 400 or 500s, you're wasting over $1,000 a month from having bad credit versus having good credit. So look at it this way. If you took $12,000 and spent it on yourself and your family, would you be at home for spring break, or would you be at a resort or somewhere that is very fun and a way for you to connect with your family? Fixing your credit is going to save you a lot of money. It's a small investment over a 6-month period of time. Once that credit's fixed, you're not going to be sitting in your house watching TV during spring break. You're going to have access to money that you already are making. But now that you're wasting $500 to $800 a month on renting versus owning, and you are wasting money on your car loan and your car insurance, all of that stuff adds up. So if you want to fix your credit and get in a better financial situation, give me and my team a call. Thanks.